Hello everybody, welcome to Trans e-learning chemistry videos. Today we'll be discussing about significant figures, and in that we'll be covering practice problems related to significant figures. We have discussed all the 6 rules, so now it's time to start with the practice problems. Here I have written those 3 numbers, which I tell you that it will be kind of a benchmarks for the easy understanding and calculating the number of significant figures. State the number of significant figures in the following numbers. That is 0.0025. As per the rule 1, all non-zero digits are significant. So 2 and 5 are significant. If you see here that these are the leading zeros. So as per the rule 4, the leading zeros are not considered as significant figures. So we will not count these zeros. So the number of the significant figures in this number is just 2. We'll be counting just 2 and 5 digits. As per the rule 1, that the non-zero digits are significant, so 5 and 8 are significant. And as per the rule 2, that 0, which is in between non-zero digits, so that means a 0 in between non-zero digit is considered as significant. So we'll be counting this 0. So the number of significant figures in this number is 1, 2, and 3. Same goes for this number. As per the rule 1, the non-zero digits are significant, and the zeros, which is in between 2 non-zero digits, are significant as per the rule 2. So the number of the significant figures in this number is 1, 2, 3, and 4. See the next question. State the number of significant figures in the following numbers. Here we have the bond number 007. As I have discussed, as per the rule 4, that the lead zeros are not considered as significant. So here, this as per the rule 4, that the leading zeros are not significant, so we will not count these zeros. And as per the rule 1, that all non-zero digits are significant, we will count this 7. So the number of the significant figures in 007 is just 1. 129000. As per the rule 1, the non-zero digits are considered as significant. As per the rule 3, if you can see here, when we have a non-decimal number and the zeros to the right of a non-zero digit are not significant. So here we have 3 zeros to the right of a non-zero number, and we don't have a decimal point, so we will not consider these zeros as significant as per the rule 3. The number of the significant figures in this number is just 3. We'll see this number. First of all, as per the rule 1, all non-zero digits are considered as significant. As per the rule 2, the zeros, which is in between 2 non-zero digits, are considered as significant. So we will be counting these zeros, as this is a decimal number. So as per the rule 5, we have a rule 5 of the trailing zeros that we have discussed, that when we have a decimal point and we have the trailing zeros, those zeros are considered as significant. As you can see here, that we have a decimal point, and then we have this number digits, non-zero digits, and then we have the 0 in the end, same as in this case, and we have considered this as significant as per the rule 5. So this will be considered as significant. So the number of the significant figures in this number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's see the third question. Now the third question says here, what will be the correct reading of a device with precision of 1/100 of a unit? Precision, or the accuracy of 1/100 is 0.01. And we know when we're using some device for measurement, the answer cannot be more precise than the least count of the precision of that instrument or that device. So here in this case, you can see, if we consider this 1/100 of a unit, which is equivalent to 0.01, if you take in terms of the decimal places, it is precise up to 2 decimal places. But if we take in terms of the significant figure, then it has just one significant figure, because as per the rule 4, we do not consider leading zeros as significant. So we will not count these zeros as significant. But if I just see here that none of my answer has one significant figure, none of them has. So what to do? Now, to avoid this problem, whether to choose decimal places as basis or the significant figure as a basis, you need to understand you need to watch the videos related to significant figures and calculation rules, which are related to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We don't have one significant figure, so we will not take the number of significant figure as the basis. We will take the decimal point as the basis. The answer should have up to 2 decimal places. So here, like we have here the 3 decimal places, here we have 2 decimal places, here we have 1 decimal places. So if we want to know the correct reading of a device with precision of 1/100, that is 0.01, we have to choose this answer. So the correct answer will be 4.60 gram, as this one has 2 decimal places as per the device precision. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, you can visit our website transelearning.com. Have a great day.